We are the Joinery. Myself, Kim, and my sister Natalie Ellis, together as sisters, we decided we wanted to start a business together that very much involved our community. It was very important to us who made our clothing and where our clothing is made. And that was where the Joinery was born.
So really the concept behind the Joinery, the brand, is that we have fashion collections that are all organic and ethical in the mindset of how we develop our clothing and produce our clothing and manufacture our clothing. We use women's sewing cooperatives and artisans. So it's handcrafted, it's designed here in Africa, and it's produced here on African soil by these talented seamstresses and artisans. On the other side of that, we have sustainable lifestyle products, which is actually really grown and developed over the last few years in terms of how our business model is set up. So it's sustainable products using organic fabrics, sustainable fabrics, and fabrics that we've actually conceptualized out of substrates such as recycled plastic bottles that we then spin into fabrics and create interesting products, whether it's stationery lines or technology lines, such as laptop sleeves, laptop bags, clothing. So really that is twofold. It's the sustainable products and the fashion collection.
Experience in being emerging creatives at Design Indaba was really, I think, a pivotal point as young designers for us. It really made us credible and added a sense of establishment to our brand. It was incredible to be able to chat to buyers, international buyers, local buyers, consumers, and just get feedback on the products and on the brand. And I think for us that was the most exciting thing.
It's been a real journey for us since emerging creatives, where we started off, to being able to today work with clients that we never dreamed we'd be working with, such as the Coca-Colas, Virgin, Petco. So it's a real proud moment for us to be sitting here and saying we've come this far and we're allowed to create.
My advice to anybody who's thinking of being an emerging creative, go for it. It will be your launch pad. It gives you credibility as a brand and really gets your brand and your name out there with buyers, international buyers, local buyers, and very much it's a great platform to chat to consumers and fellow creatives.
It is a phenomenal experience. It teaches you on how to market your brand, where does your brand sit in the industry, and the exposure is something that you just cannot compare to any other sort of platform for designers who it's their first foray into the industry. And I think you just never know who you're going to meet or where it's going to take you. And if we're any example to go by, it was the launch pad to who we are today, and it's been a real journey.